CGI is no longer just for big-budget studios. It's in your favorite ads, product promos, and viral social media content. And now, thanks to AI, you can create high-quality CGI without learning 3D software or spending hours on rendering. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make stunning CGI videos using just one AI tool. No editing skills, no complex workflow. Marketers and content creators are already using this method to boost their brands and even land paid gigs. But here's the truth, most people are juggling 3 to 4 different apps just to get a 5-second clip. That's not smart, it's exhausting. So, I found a better way. A faster, easier, and way more efficient method that lets you go from idea to finished CGI ad in minutes, all inside one single platform. And the best part? You don't even need to write your own prompts. I've done the heavy lifting and included free professional prompt templates you can use right away. So stick with me to the end of this video. I'll break the process down step by step, and you'll see exactly how fast and simple this can be. Here's the game plan. Step 1. Generate your creative concept. Step 2. Turn it into high-quality product visuals. Step 3. Transform those images into viral CGI ads. One AI tool. 3 simple steps. 0 editing required. Before we get started, listen to her and please do as she says.
AI pipeline brings you the future before it even uploads. Don't just sit there. Subscribe before your robot beats you to it.
Now, let's get started. The most important part of this entire process is coming up with a strong, creative ad idea. Because no matter how advanced the AI is, if your concept and prompt are weak, your final video will fall flat. But here's the good news. You don't need to brainstorm for hours. Just use ChatGPT. I've already put together a plug-and-play prompt template that you can copy, customize, and drop straight into ChatGPT or Google Gemini. It's designed to give you powerful, ad-ready ideas in seconds. Join my WhatsApp channel using the link in the first comment to access the free prompt. Once you've pasted in the prompt, hit enter, and boom. You'll get 5 fresh ad concepts instantly. Don't love the results? No problem. Just tweak a few words and regenerate until something clicks. Let me show you exactly how I do it. I'll drop in the template right here, and there we go, solid ideas. Want more? Just say, yes, give me more brand new ideas. ChatGPT will keep going as long as you need. So the possibilities are literally endless. You can even ask ChatGPT to add an SFX prompt, but that's by the way. Now, let's turn these ideas into images. There are plenty of image generators out there, but tools that let you do everything in one place are rare, and they save you serious time. For this video, I'm using FlexChip. With FlexChip, you can take your AI-generated idea, turn it into a high-quality product image, and then instantly convert it into a motion video. You can even add sound effects and make your CGI ad ready for publishing in just a few clicks. Let me walk you through exactly how this works, step by step. First, I'm going to copy one of the image prompts I generated earlier. Then, I'll head over to the AI text-to-image section and paste the prompt into the input box. For the model, I'm selecting Ultra since it gives the highest quality output. Then, I'll choose the aspect ratio. If you're making content for platforms like YouTube Shorts or TikTok, 9:16 is the ideal format. But for this demo, I am using 16:9, which is suitable for long-form YouTube contents. Once everything is set, I'll click Generate and wait a few seconds. Here we go, the image is ready. Not bad at all. Next, I want to animate this image and turn it into a short video. So I'll click on the Image to Video button at the top right corner. If you want to swap out the image, you can delete it or pick a different one from your image history. Once the image is selected, I'll paste in the animation prompt. Now, I'll set the model to professional for smooth movement. Then I'll choose the duration, either 5 or 10 seconds, depending on the style you're aiming for. For this example, I'll go with 5 seconds. Click Generate, and the AI will get to work. Usually, it takes around 5 to 10 minutes to process a 5-second animation, so you'll need a little patience, but to keep things moving, I'll skip ahead so you can see the final result. Looks great, right? The animation is clean and feels dynamic. Now, let's add sound effects to give it that final layer of polish. I'll head over to the AI SFX tab. Then I'll paste in the same image prompt I used earlier and hit Generate. Within about a minute, the tool will produce a sound design that matches your visual. Just like that, your video now has audio and feels complete. Let's preview it. This looks good. Click on the Download button to download it to your device. Now, I'll go ahead and generate the rest of the visuals using the same method. This part is sped up for the demo. If you want access to the exact ChatGPT prompt templates I used, both for visuals and sound, I've saved them in a Google Doc. Just join my WhatsApp channel to download everything. The link is in the video description. FlexClip actually offers much more than just AI text-to-image or video generation tools. If you explore the image editing section, you'll find some really useful features. For example, AI image-to-image lets you instantly restyle or transform your existing visuals without starting from scratch. There's also an AI background remover that can cleanly isolate subjects with one click. No manual masking required. And one of my personal favorites is AI Old Photo Restoration. It lets you repair and enhance old, damaged photos with surprising accuracy. This feature alone has a lot of potential. You could even start a small side hustle offering photo restoration as a service. Seriously, the demand is out there. Now, if you're more focused on video creation but you're not sure how to bring your ideas to life, FlexClip still has you covered. You can try text-to-full video to turn written content into a polished visual. Or if you already have a blog, you can use AI blog URL to video to transform it into engaging video content. There's even a PPT to video option, which is perfect for product demos, pitch decks, or e-commerce explainers. And honestly, there's a lot more to explore inside the platform, and the best part is, it even comes with a free plan to get you started, but I'd advise you to try one of their pro plans. You'll love it. You'll find the link to try it out in the video description below. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What did you think of this walkthrough? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. If you want access to all the prompt templates I used in this video, they're available for free in my WhatsApp channel. You'll find the invite link down in the description and pinned comment section as well. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. It really supports the channel and keeps me motivated to create more step-by-step guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.